Safe is the place I go to hide from my dreams. Yet even there in the silence alone, they haunt me still. It's the place of the same movie watched 100 times so I don't have to think and endure the torment and assault of dreams unrealized and poems unwritten. This heavy burden weighs on my heart daily, pushing me close to the edge where I will either crash or soar. There are stories untold trapped behind my binge-watching season upon season of a show another storyteller took the time to write. Dear ngwana Mosotho ya ditoho di tletseng sisiu, o lowe ke mang? Who invalidated your dreams by calling it small and worthless, and who broke your spirit so that you couldn't speak back to the accusers to let them know, yes, I do not fit the mold, but my dream is bigger than Tabanantlenyana. It burns and beats with every thump of this heart, soars above the blue skies and drives me till it is realized. My dream flows beneath the rich waters of the Sinku River, boundless, unrelenting, chasing the wind till someday the whole of Africa hears and knows that in the depth of this motherland are a young people chasing dreams and galaxies in the distance. Our fathers never taught us, so we're forging new paths to places unknown, to places of dreams becoming reality. Lesotho fatshe la bontata rona ke mang ya tla ngola le ho qoqa ditshomo tsa hao? Ke mang ya tla roka maphelo a mathilweng mabaleng a hao? Di kae dithoko tsa metsi a pula ho phorosela mesikong ya dithaba tsa hao? Ke mang ya tla bolela ka botle ba nalane ya maphelo a bahale ba mabitso a sa tsejweng ke mafatshe? Ya tla phatlalatsa botebo ba botle ba kgoro ya lebelonyane le ya mphosong? Safe is the place I've lived the whole of my life, never finding the courage to say, it is me. I am here, and I will tell her stories. I will speak boldly of Lesotho's profound heritage and rich beauty. I will put rhythms to stories of horsemen riding for days on end, of days spent chasing rabbits, in the tall grass, of the myths that shaped our lives and the fears that haunt mothers as they give away their daughters in marriage. I am here, and these stories of my Africa have a voice. I am here, and these stories of my Lesotho, your Lesotho, our Lesotho will be told.